Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kiva app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Kiva is a global microlending platform designed to connect lenders with borrowers in need of small loans to support businesses, education, and personal projects. The app allows users to browse borrower profiles, choose loans to fund, and track repayment progress. It provides loan categorization by region or purpose, secure transaction processing, and an intuitive interface that makes lending simple and meaningful. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Kiva's easy-to-navigate interface and the ability to make a real-world impact through microloans. The platform gives detailed borrower profiles, repayment updates, and progress tracking, which help users feel connected to the projects they support. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users note occasional delays in repayment updates, and, like any lending platform, there is inherent risk of loan defaults. Additionally, while the platform is free to use, the social impact of loans may take time to materialize, requiring patience and long-term engagement. In summary, the Kiva app may be worth using if you want to support global entrepreneurs, education initiatives, and community projects while tracking your impact. However, if you prefer instant results, guaranteed returns, or minimal lending risk, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.